Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to enhance your home security while providing a powerful floodlight. We found the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera with solar panel bundle and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera? This innovative device combines a high-quality security camera with an ultra-bright LED floodlight. Designed for outdoor use, it boasts a 2K HDR video resolution, which means you can expect clear, detailed visuals, even in low-light settings. The camera is wireless and comes with a solar panel that charges its battery, ensuring you have continuous monitoring without the hassle of changing batteries frequently. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First and foremost, the Arlo Pro 3 offers a wide field of view at 160 degrees, allowing you to monitor expansive areas like driveways, backyards, and alleyways. The color night vision is another impressive feature that lets you see in full color even in the dark, making it easier to identify people and objects that may wander into your view. Plus, with the ability to zoom in 12 times, you can make out details like faces or license plates with ease. Privacy is a big concern for many people when it comes to home security. Arlo respects this by ensuring that your personal information remains private and in your control. The Arlo Secure app provides real-time notifications, allowing you to keep tabs on what's happening around your property. You can also activate the siren remotely to deter any potential intruders. Who is this product suitable for? The Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera is perfect for homeowners looking for a reliable outdoor security solution. Whether you live in a suburban neighborhood or a rural area, this camera can help enhance your peace of mind. It's particularly useful for those with larger properties or for families who want to keep an eye on their children and pets while they play outside. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're away on vacation and you receive a notification on your phone about motion detected in your yard. With the Arlo app, you can stream live video, check what's happening, and even interact with anyone on your property through the two-way audio feature. If you have packages delivered, you can set up alerts specifically for package detection, ensuring you know when your deliveries arrive. Moreover, the camera is IP65 weather resistant, which means it can withstand rain, snow, and other outdoor elements. This durability makes it a reliable choice for year-round use, regardless of your climate. If you're looking to integrate this camera into a smart home system, you'll be pleased to know that it works seamlessly with platforms like Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Assistant. This compatibility allows for convenient automations, such as turning on exterior lights when motion is detected or receiving low battery notifications. Setting up the Arlo Pro 3 is a breeze thanks to its dual-band Wi-Fi capability, which automatically connects to the stronger network between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. This means you won't have to worry about connectivity issues, ensuring your camera is always ready to monitor your space. In the box, you'll find the camera itself, a power adapter, a solar panel, a wall plate with a secure kit, an extended rechargeable battery, and a quick start guide to help you get everything set up quickly and easily. In conclusion, the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera with solar panel bundle is an excellent choice for anyone serious about enhancing their home security. With its high-resolution video, smart features, and easy integration into your existing smart home setup, it provides both peace of mind and convenience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.